Hi, my name is Tai Nguyen, the Chief Technology Officer for MightyDNA.com. In the first portion of this 2.5-minute video, I'm going to explain to you what you receive in the mail once you order our DNA test at MightyDNA.com. In the mail, you will receive 2 sterile buccal swabs and their transport tubes, a step-by-step instruction of how to swab your cheek cells, and a prepaid return envelope. Now, in the second portion of this video, I'm going to explain to you the real science in producing your personalized MightyDNA report just from those 2 buccal swabs. So once those 2 buccal swabs arrive at our non-CLIA core facility DNA lab, we immediately isolate and purify your 23 chromosomes from those 2 buccal swabs. Then we select a SNP genotype assay that has been specifically designed, formulated, optimized, and quality control tested by our team of PhD geneticists. Then once the assay has been selected, we then run your 23 chromosome through a real-time PCR thermocycler. Now what this thermocycler does is that it takes the gene of interest, in this case the 3 genes of interest found in your 23 chromosomes, and amplify the number of copies of these 3 genes 10 million times. The copies of these genes are then analyzed using a TaqMan SNP genotyper software. The analyzed result is then interpreted using NCBI Research Literature Database for population-wide study. The essence of this interpretation is what is in your personalized DNA report. Now, regarding DNA privacy, your DNA data will not be shared with any third party, and it will be used for only one thing with MightyDNA, that is to produce your report, and that's it. If you have any other question, please visit our website or contact us at info@mightydna.com and visit our Facebook page.